Hi, I'm LA County Supervisor Janice Hahn, and I'm here at the Norwalk Library, which just underwent a $4 million upgrade and has reopened its doors to the public. There are 20 LA County libraries in my district, and I've been working to invest in them and make sure that they are the modern assets to our communities that our residents deserve. In fact, since I came into office, we've been able to upgrade 7 libraries in my district in Artesia, Los Nietos, Hacienda Heights, Roland Heights, Marina del Rey, here in Norwalk, and even the Avalon Library on Catalina Island. Our libraries have changed so much since I was a kid. They're no longer just places for you to pick out a good book, even though that will always be part of their mission. They have free Wi-Fi, public computers, and even laptops that you can borrow. Our libraries offer homework help and after-school activities for kids and teens. Many locations have group study rooms where you can work on a group project or study together. Adults can even earn their high school diploma at the library free of charge. LA County libraries are places where every single person can access resources and information, no matter how much or how little money they have. They are places where people have the opportunity to improve themselves and get the help they need to make their lives better. They are places where people can feel safe and spend a few hours learning about their favorite subject. Renovating these libraries isn't just about aesthetic upgrades. It's about meeting the changing needs of our communities and making sure our libraries continue to be assets that everyone can use. If it has been a while since you've been to a library, or maybe you've never had a library card, I hope you will stop by one of our 85 locations. The LA County Library has something for everyone, and I promise we have something for you.
Hello, my name is Sky Patrick, and I am the director of the LA County Library. We are so thankful for the 4th District's generous support, which has allowed us to refurbish the Norwalk Library and the Marina del Rey Library. Let's take a look. We have customized the libraries to their communities. The Norwalk features a refurbished Californiana collection room and a Veterans Resource Center. The Marina del Rey Library, we focused in on the ocean theme, a decorative ceiling installation, nautical carpeting and shelves, and even a boat steering wheel for children overlooking the marina. We encourage you to visit either of these libraries or any of the 20 libraries in the 4th District to take advantage of all of our free resources that are available to you. Make sure to also visit us online and check out the digital library for online classes, ebooks, movies, music, and more at lacountylibrary.org.